Hey guys and gals, welcome to another video now. Today is an enhanced risk, well, because now, but there's an enhanced risk today. Now this ain't bad because it's always less than 2% chance, less than 2% all areas of tornado. Wind is 30, and hail is 15. So today you just need to watch out for the wind and hail. Now, once you go to day 2 though, there's day 2 is a marginal where I live, but there's an enhanced risk in this area. And it looks like it's 30% chance, which means that is 30% chance of severe weather. And there's a 30% chance of severe weather. So there's gonna be clustering. Clustering is obviously the blow, and when it's really dark and it blows up pretty fast. And look at day 3 is normal. Watch, and it's slow. Wait, it's disabled. Oh no, I don't see disabled. Yeah, today's 3. We can't weaken that fast, but otherwise, but and day 3, just marginal risk. You don't have to worry about it. There's 2 of them, just fine. But tomorrow's the one we're focusing on, which our enhanced risk is. And I will put the. I won't read this to you, but I'll put this in the description below, so you can read all this if you want. Looks like the marginal risk too. I'll put that. I'll put the whole entire thing in because it's upper middle, western like that. And I'll also put this into this stuff. Put it in the description below. Otherwise, stay safe out there. Bye.